In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your subscribers list on your mobile phone. So the first thing I'm going to show you is if I come over to YouTube, what you'll see is there is no option here to see any of your subscribers. So what you can do is first of all come back and then you will need to open up Chrome or any browser you wish to use. Once you open up Chrome, you will need to head over to YouTube and log into your account. And then once you have logged into your account, what you can do is simply go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. And then you will need to go ahead and select desktop site. Once you select desktop site, you can click on your profile picture. So once you click on your profile picture, you will now need to select YouTube Studio. Once you select YouTube Studio, what that will do is it will bring up this page here. And from here, as you can see an option there for recent subscribers. And if you click on see all, you'll get this little pop up here, and then you can come to the bottom where it says rows per page, and then you can select 50, and then what that will do is it will give you a list of all 50 subscribers, and then you can also go ahead and change it to a lifetime. So what this will do is it will allow you to see every single person that has subscribed to your YouTube channel. So it's just that simple to do, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.